Thank you for visiting my channel. Before we start, please hit the subscribe, share, and like buttons to receive notification of future presentations. Our topic for discussion is Damnum Absque Injuria. Damnum Absque Injuria is a Latin phrase that means damage without injury or loss without wrong. It refers to a situation where a person suffers a loss or damage, but no legal injury has been done to them. In other words, the loss or damage is not a result of a wrongful act or breach of legal duty by another party. The concept of damnum absque injuria is important in legal theory because it helps to distinguish between losses or damages that are compensable under the law and those that are not. If there is no legal injury, then there is no legal remedy available to the person who has suffered the loss or damage. For example, if a person's property decreases in value due to a natural disaster such as a flood or earthquake, they have suffered a loss, but there is no legal injury because the cause of the loss was not the fault of another person. Similarly, if the value of his property decreases due to the construction of a new building nearby, it may be considered as damnum absque injuria because the person has not suffered any infringement of their legal rights. If a business loses customers due to the opening of a competitor, it may be considered damnum absque injuria because the competitor has not violated any laws or regulations. In one case, the court held that a property owner does not have the right to claim compensation for the loss of his property's view caused by the construction of a building on an adjacent lot. The loss of view is not a legal injury that entitles the property owner to compensation. In another case, the court held that a person who was refused entry to a theater because he was wearing shorts did not suffer any legal injury that would entitle him to damages. The theater's dress code was a valid exercise of its property rights, and the refusal of entry was not a violation of the person's legal rights. These cases illustrate the principle of damnum absque injuria, which is an important legal concept in the Philippines and in other jurisdictions. It serves to limit claims for damages to situations where there is an actual legal injury suffered by the plaintiff and to prevent frivolous or unreasonable claims for compensation. If you find this presentation helpful, please hit the subscribe, share, and like buttons to receive notification of future presentations. Thank you.